Reload, reload. All right, today we're going to actually put this eGPU to the test, and we're going to see if it can handle some of the latest games and on the toughest little machines that we can find out there. And we're going to go down really low where we can find like the cheapest machine that has a Thunderbolt 3, of course, and connect this guy into it. Now, I am using a low-end GPU, which is going to be the 2080 Ti. This is adaptable for 2 of the power sources in there, so we're not going to have an issue with it. Now, this device, you can find in certain places, there's different variations of this device too. There's cheaper versions, which is little small plastics that you sell where you could actually put the GPU, but you still need a power source on this. This has the power source and the actual physical PCI connection that you have to slot it in there, right? Now, that's the only reason I have it. This reason I got this one because you could always have it in hand for many multiple external use for it. For example, not only the video cards work on this, but also I found out that a lot of the external external card readers, like for example, if you have a Elgato, you want to be streaming, you can use this. Slot the Elgato card in there. Use your laptop to stream everything through there physically. It is incredible, extremely fast too. So also CamLink works great. If you guys ever seen the CamLink cards that Elgato makes for multiple stations, so you could have one it's a slot card that you go in there and you set up all these multiple HDMI connections, so multiple cameras, multiple directions. You could do producing. You could produce a lot of different videos on it, different views and so forth. It's a great system for mostly a lot of things I use it for. So I'm going to show you today how we're going to game with this. We're going to play Battlefield 6, the open beta version. If it can handle this, imagine what you can do. Now, this can go all the way to the 3000 series of GPUs, all right? So 3060, we might end up getting one. We don't know. 3060 Ti, I want to test one out and see if we can do that. But for now, we're going to use the 2080. That's something that's low end that you can find, affordable. You can find them mostly in most markets like Facebook and eBay and stuff. You can find them under $200, all right? And then this is the most valuable stuff that you're going to spend, but you could actually go the cheaper way. But we're going to show you guys this process first. And if you're ever interested in something like that, maybe building something similar to it, you can go that for half of the price of this machine, all right? So we'll take a look and let's go see how it works. If you guys ever buy these small little PCs and you want to make them powerful as a desktop, a real large, powerful desktop, this is perfect. No, now this is an enclosure for a type of card I'm going to talk to you. It's mostly RTX 30s and 20s, all right? So on the 30s, you can get away with it because depending on the power, right? Now, on the 40s, you're gonna require a different power, a different conversion, right? So there is different enclosures for that, and they're more pricier. Now this one, you can find it in pretty much different locations that you want, places and stuff. Now this enclosure is perfect. It could house anything, like I said, this is a 2080 Ti, but you could actually go up to 30, 40, 30, so and 30 series cards, right? So you can also do that because it uses the same power conversion, right? So I made a go to buy the cheapest machine I can find with a Thunderbolt 3. Because this thing is compatible with Thunderbolt 3, I ended up getting this Nuke. This was $70, all right, with shipping. Now, it did not include the actual power. I was able to install it myself, and then it did not include the M.2. It did include memory. That's about it. So we're gonna put this to the test, but first we're gonna upgrade it. And it's the cheapest thing I was able to find with a Thunderbolt 3. All right, we're gonna open up the actual system because there's no drive on it. All right. Just be careful not to pull it out because there is a cable, if you guys can see the cable in there. And we have memory, but we don't have a drive, and the drive is going to go up here in the top actually. We're going to add the drive in a bit right here. It's going to go in this location, if you guys can see that. So let me talk a little bit more about the inside, right? You got memory, and this is going to be 16 gigs, right? 8 gigs a piece. And then, of course, your drive goes in here, and they did leave the screw, which is great. So we do have a brand new drive that we're going to set up in here. I think maximum you could upgrade on this one's 32 of memory. So we could double our memory. That's an option, but we're just going to go as is right now, because this is going to be more like a gaming system, of course. And of course, they give you other options, other connections in here. I see another connection, maybe for extending the drives or fans and so forth. So right now, everything seems like it's connected into one piece. I don't have an NVMe, but we're just gonna do this SATA drive. NVMe has only one SNP, all right? So we don't have one right now at the moment, but we're gonna just set up a drive. It's not gonna be the fastest thing right now, but temporary, just to get it up and running and testing it out. It's perfect. It'll accelerate the drive a lot faster if I did have one, but and we got the drive going. We got 1 terabyte in there at least going, all right? And so we're gonna run this right now. All right, so we're gonna test this machine out. We're gonna try Apex without any upgrades or anything. We just installed the drive itself, all right? Just for extra space because there was no space, all right? So if you guys can see, the game runs horrible on this. It took about 30 minutes to even get to the screen, and now I get this error all the time. So it's not capable of handling pretty much any game right now out there, because this box was inexpensive. I thought I was capable at least handling this game, but if I can't handle this game, it's not going to handle any other game. So it will probably handle maybe Roblox, that's about it. But other than that, it won't handle anything. It's horrible. It's running very bad with this. So we're going to do something with it. We're going to upgrade this thing, make this into an actual beast of a machine, all right? And this, from this little machine, under $100, without the drive, I installed the drive. Drive was like what, 30-40 bucks. You could buy the drive and install it. So we're gonna go ahead and escape it from here, and we're gonna go in and set up the new setup. So we're gonna go ahead and show you the upgrade version of this machine. We're gonna make it into a beast. Let's get do that. There's an area that connects right here. If you guys can see, it has a little lightning bolt. That's what it is, a Thunderbolt. So we're gonna plug it in right now to this thing first, and then we're going to power it up, and then we're going to download the drivers. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. You do need this application. It just downloaded automatically. It's a driver that was installed. It would automatically download, but if not, you can force it. Now I'm running Windows 10 on this system because it's an older system, but we are going to upgrade it down the line. But for now, ASUS automatically connected SATA, not connected. We're going to go in here. It says connect, always connect, and say okay, and there it is. It's connecting. So we got the module control. Now we're capable of handling the fan speed and everything else. So, but because the connection just came on right now, we actually have it here now, and here it is, right there, showing up now. So we're gonna go ahead and run the drivers first, right? We are gonna run our drivers, and we're gonna download the drivers. And always connect. That means that anytime I plug this in, it's automatically gonna go in. Right now, as you can hear it, it's quiet. It's not making any noise because it picked up automatically. So, which once you install the drivers, that's all you need. So right now we're gonna go ahead and download GeForce, install it, and run on the drivers. We're also doing the drivers for the computer itself. There's some missing drivers that we need. And after that, we're gonna come back and try the same game again, all right? Using one cable, all right, to run this machine and run this machine. Video card that I have here is a 2080, all right? That's what I got. Because we're gonna make it affordable, not anything like more expensive. We're gonna make this guy run. It just came up, the driver, you guys can see that. And we're running a Thunderbolt 5 connection. So the rate's gonna be really high. I don't have to worry about, the load. Transferring rate from this one to this one should be quick. We're also gonna do a couple of tests on it. We're gonna run some games too, but first we're gonna go ahead and install some more drivers and come back. I see two video cards, Intel graphic card, and now I see the RTX 2080 Ti. Let's go ahead and run Apex. All right, took about a minute and almost 2 minutes. All right, a minute and a half. Right now we're running at 255 FPS. If you guys can see now, it's on 63, but in the boot up screen it just gave me 200. All right, so that was actually pretty good. So let's see how much. So the GPU is running 9% right now. All right, as you guys can see, I'm running at 60 FPS. We're gonna do the training grounds. All right, but we can always go into settings too, and I'm gonna show you that we're gonna see if we could go higher on the settings too. Right now we're just gonna move forward and see if we could just test this out. Well, I can do this. This is unbelievable, running unbelievable graphics. Let's see the quality of it. So we're gonna escape here. We're gonna go to settings, all right? We're gonna see video quality. Right now we're at 16, we're at 1920 by 1080. Let's bump this up a little bit higher. That's the maximum we can go on resolution, unfortunately. Launching the game. It's opening up right now. Let's see if we could handle this game. If you're gonna get something like this, a little tiny computer. Let's see if it can handle this beef of a machine. All right, in order for me to play this game, I gotta convert my OS into TMP. So that's what we're doing right now. We're doing validation. Hit the enter button. All right, so this thing was able to pick up Battlefield. I had to install Windows 11 on this one. To be honest with you, Windows 10 couldn't work, so we ended up installing Windows 11, making sure that the TMP is connected, and this thing is going to be able to play Battlefield with this drive and this computer now. So right here, we're going to modify things, right? Make sure that we have quality, auto quality. We're going to see if we can play with the basics first, all right? And then if we see that we can actually push this, we could push this little machine to the limit too. So let's go ahead and finish setup. Let's go training grounds for now. We'll go to 101. We'll just firing range. We'll just go to a firing range so I can show you guys. Oh yeah, this is gonna work. Oh yeah. Look at this beautiful graphics on it, and this is a 2080 Ti on the little machine under $100 used machine. Amazing. I can't believe it. It's running on this good on this machine. And you could always upgrade to a higher version of the card, but I don't want to push the limits too much. But it could handle anything. And this is a 4. It's right. Remember, this machine's running at 4-core Intel. Look at that. Oh man, this is great. Let's see if I can run. Oh yeah. Woo! Look at the graphics. Oh my god, it's incredible. I'm not a good shooter right now because I'm playing with one finger right now on the one recording. This is awesome. Okay, all right, let's start. Let's deploy here. We'll go in there. Let's see. Let's see how it runs. Go, 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 go. It's running good. It's actually really good. 32 right now, FPS. I think we're gonna have to turn it down a little bit. Oh, he came behind me. I didn't see him. Skip. I didn't see him. I did not see him. Deploy again. Might have to turn down the graphics just a little bit on this one because I am running at 32 FPS on this. If you guys can see it, I'm jogging and it's a little not lagging, but it's playable. Look at all those graphics. Oh, there it goes. Oh, no, no, my man. Oh. I see him running. He's coming to me. You shouldn't be in the open. You shouldn't be in the open. Rookie. Oh, another one. You shouldn't be in the open. Oh, I'm out of bullets. Go. I have to fight it out with the gun. You shouldn't be in the open, you rookie. Oh shit, he's trying to stab me. Where is he? You rookie. Rookie! Rookie! Oh, man. I have to lower down the resolution on this one, unfortunately, because you are capable of playing it, but the graphics are a little too high on it. So, Battlefield's working on the little beast. I think I will improve on this machine. I will add more memory. Definitely more memory. I'm running at FPS. I'm gonna put it right there so you guys can see a little bit. It's at 58 right now. Out there. I know around this corner. Wow, you bastard! I know, I saw you. I saw you hiding. I took out your buddy. I took out your buddy. That's all it counts. I took out your buddy. Let's do that. Let's go objective. Let's go to that objective. Oh, I don't know about this. E, get off. Keep going, keep going. Headshots. Oh, he's right there. Headshot. Keep going, guys. Push. Oh, they're right here. Shoot him. Shoot him. You guys are right in front of them. Come on. 50. I got to 50 FPS on this one. That's not bad. It's okay for, for if you want to ever play a game like this. Oh, reload. Running like a, a hell of a machine, to be honest with you. You add these two together, marry them together. Oh my God, you got more than a machine. Right, overall, this machine and this machine together combined makes a great gaming machine, to be honest with you. If you can game Battlefield, you could game anything. Now, two things I would do. Definitely change out the NVMe. Add a better NVMe on it. Memory upgrade to 32 maximum. Then you have this. Pretty much you're all set. I mean, this could go anywhere. Look how small it is. This is a nuke. And this is an old nuke, right? It's not new. It's old. But we are running on an old video card too. It's a 2080. But you can actually put a 3080 on this one. It'll make it a lot better. But your budget, depending on your budget. If you want a budget machine, a great machine like this, combined together, you can find this on eBay. You can buy new, used, so forth. Now this one, under $100 in eBay. Great little machine, capable of handling everything. It could play retro games with this without anything, but it cannot handle any video games, any other games on it by itself without this machine. So out of the box, You guys saw me put it together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.